Welcome back to another video from Destinations A to Z. As promised, guys, look where we're back at. We're here at the entrance to the Buc-ees in Pigeon Forge / Sevierville, Tennessee, to show you the progress. Right here you can see the signs where it shows that they're hiring. This right now is April. They've already got the intersection red lights up. You can see right here behind me, the red lights are already up on both sides. You can see they've got the blacktop almost finished. They've got it all the way out to the parkway now. They've actually got the pumps installed. We're going to show you what it looks like right now. Guys, hope you've enjoyed showing you the progress of Buc-ees. It's April. They're going to be opening here within another month, and we hope to bring you that live. Don't forget to check back. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. And don't forget to check the videos out above and in the video description below of what it was before earlier, back last year in October. Remember, guys, thanks for watching this video, and we will see you on the next one.